Hello and welcome back to another Crypto Monster market breakdown. Today we're going to be mainly focusing on Bitcoin. It's going to be a make or break for Bitcoin. So what I'm looking for is a break of 10,000. If we break above 10,000 and sustain and we have a weekly candle closure over 10,000, this might be the start of the next bull run. These coins surge. I'm going to show you guys how I plot some of these zones. I am working on a course, but until that content is out, you're just going to have to bear with me. So if we just grab this trend line and we call it right there, and we grab it and we go up to here right before it started to decline, we can see that there was a break of it, a retest using this moving average, and now we're surging back up. Now, what's going to happen is this coin is not going to move with the other altcoins. We're going to see a surge from the altcoins before we see a surge with Bitcoin. And that's how it always is every season. The altcoins move, specifically XRP and a few other altcoins that I will not name. But if we have this zone here, we've retested it here plenty of times, struggled to break through, broke through, retested it with this one wick, this wick right here. That was a retest. Now we're surging higher. Now we can see so many different things happen. I still think it's possible for us to break below 6,000 or even retest 6,000, anywhere from 6,780 to 5,820. Looking at the daily, we can see that there's plenty of nice candles we can predict the future with. And yeah, I had it marked down right there, about 8,000. We can actually come back and hit down here before we move up. I believe this is not gonna break through. I think it's gonna come back retest. If we take this zone here, there's a good chance that there will be a retest of that zone, and again it'll be 8,100 to 7,500. Let's just call that 7,600. Once that is fulfilled, we can very easily surge higher. Now, how are you supposed to play this? If you're looking to buy cryptocurrency, I would look at other coins. For example, let's take a look at Syscoin. Syscoin USD. This chart's gonna look really disgusting because I've done so much analysis on Syscoin and I just keep it. So what I'm gonna do is take a look at the chart and just explain the different zones that I plotted, how I got the zones. It's really not that hard. You just have to have a game plan and you have to stick with the game plan no matter what. The hardest thing is stop losses. So if you know you struggle with taking your money out during a stop loss, then you should just set it with the computer or like whatever brokerage that you're using. You should just set a stop loss and leave. Just forget about it. If your stop loss is hit, cut your losses short so you still have money to invest somewhere else. But if you keep on saying, oh, it'll go back up, it'll go back up, it's not. Okay? It's very important to have rules that you don't ever break, because when you break them, bad things happen and you lose your money. Syscoin had its huge surge that started on March 1st, 2017. It topped out at December 1st, 2017. So it was a few months surge. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it surged for about 9 months and then it started its decline in January 1st, 2018 after the big bull run that happened in 2017. We know that history repeats itself, so sooner or later Syscoin will boom again. I've been accumulating Syscoin. These are all the levels that I bought at. I bought at 27 cents, I bought at 16 cents, I bought at 9 cents, I bought at 4 cents actually, and it's at 5 cents right now. Once this coin starts going up, I've averaged down my price significantly. I can calculate how much my average price is by adding 27 to 16 to 9 to 4, dividing it by how many there is, and that's my average price. Now, I didn't say I bought an even amount each time, so that would vary the calculation. But the bottom line is, you have coins like this where if you put a few $100s in, you could very easily come out with a few thousand. And right now it's doing a wedge formation. Once this wedge is broken, we have two resistance levels right here and a support level up here. Once these two resistances are broken, we can expect a retest before it booms. My first take profit here is at 26 cents. So it was past support, it is new resistance. And if we look back further, even back in time, this zone right here has been retested right here. It's been retested right here. It's been retested right here. So this is a significant zone. Grab my rectangle tool, come back up here, plot it. So I know this is my target 1. That's simple. Target 2 will be up here. So target number 2 would be right here. Double candles, double candle, spike to retest, spike to retest. This is my second zone that I'm trying to take my profit at. This coin can eventually reach $1. So my third and final take profit will be at about here. I'm playing it conservative. If somebody's willing to wait it out, this coin can hit $1. It could hit $2 a few years down the line. Many altcoins right now are at a buy. This is when you're supposed to be putting your money in. People say cryptocurrency is dead. It's not dead. It's just a market cycle. People were saying cryptocurrency was dead here. Most people that bought Bitcoin bought it at 14,000 to 16,000. And Bitcoin, of course, went down. And people were saying, oh no, it's dead. If you put your money in, you're going to regret it, and all this and all that. Guess what? It had another surge. It's just a market cycle. It's simply a market cycle. You guys are just getting manipulated by mainstream media that gets paid billions of dollars to put out certain articles and certain people that talk to you. People were saying Bitcoin was going to go to 100 grand right here. And guess what? People bought from... Now imagine this. Let me see if I can pull this off for you guys. Coins surge about the same amount every year, like percentage wise. So we'll start it here and we'll go up to here, including the wick. Now if we grab this and we set it to the base of this right here, what's that number? 2100 or 21,000, I'm sorry. Now if we drag this to the top of the wick, what do we have? 22,000. So next bull run, we can expect to see Bitcoin hit anywhere from 23 to 21. Let me just get that plotted. So that's the zone I'm expecting to hit, and it's definitely going to happen. It's just a matter of time. If you guys are interested in investing in cryptocurrency, if there's any other things that I have not covered in this video that you guys would like me to cover, please mention it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to create different content based on what people are looking for. And as always, invest at your own risk. Make sure you do your own research before you put your money into anything. And always think logically of what is in front of you. If a coin is bombing down, like people thought Bitcoin was dead right here. Oh, it's going to go to 0. No, it's not. It's a market cycle. It rebounded. It always rebounds. We're in the infant market right now. This market is very, very new. That's why we have big moves that happen like this. You can't make... So say you invested in Bitcoin February 19th. Right now you would be up 175%. Very, very few people can make that much money or that kind of percentages in the stock market. You have big institutions and institutional investors coming out saying Bitcoin's dead, you can invest in Bitcoin, but if you do, you will regret it. Warren Buffett's not a fan of Bitcoin. One of the most influential people in the stock market isn't. So why should the average person be? Again, this is just to inform you. I don't recommend investing any of your money because this was not investment information or investment advice. And like always, have a great day, and please comment below what coins you will like me to cover in the next Crypto Monster video. Thank you.